Hello, so let's make this beautiful fabric flower. Okay, so the length of the piece depends on how long or how big you want the flower to be. Okay, so this is just about 44 inches and it's by 5 or 5.5. Okay, 44 by 5.5. If you have enough fabric, you can make it up to 50 and more. Okay, then you sew about, I measure about 4 inches to the edge and sew it this way. Okay, just note the way I make the stitches. So I measure it on the other side also 4 inches, then I'll sew the cuff just like this. Please avoid sewing on the open part. Just watch carefully the part I'm sewing. Just this way. You can just measure about 3 inches, but just measure 4 inches. So I'm going to trim it out just like this. Then give it a good press. So I'll be using my hand needle. So I'm going to run some stitches along the open end just this way because I need to gather it. So being a flower, so we can just go with hand needle. But if you feel your machine would do, your sewing machine will do justice to it, you can use it. I think it's better we use the hand needle. Okay, so run the stitch using your hand and also make use of a matching thread. So I'm going to run it all through to the other end. So we carefully do that. So once I'm at the other end, so you're going to pull it carefully and make sure the ruffles is well separated. Avoid gathering the ruffles at a particular point. Let it be well distributed, okay? Arrange it well. So this is it. So after that is done, we're going to pick up. So I'm just trying to check everything out. So this is it after gathering. Okay, so I'm going to pick one end. Once you are sure of the gathering, you can just lock your stitch, just like I'm doing now. You lock the stitch properly to avoid the gathers opening up. Then you go on and keep adjusting. So you have to now create the rows. So wrap it over. So look for the side that you can conveniently work with. So just be creative about it. So wrap it over. Wrap it. Make sure this outer part is clean. So all the rough edges, rough endings should be behind, just the way I'm arranging. Okay. So you can see if to say the length of the fabric is longer than this and even the width is about 10 inches, you can see that the outcome will be bigger than this. Okay, so now I'm going to use the hand needle to tighten the whole thing together and also make it clean. So I have to stitch, pass the needle through the necessary places just to make the flower firm. So I have made use of a satin fabric. So you can use any fabric of your choice as long as it's going to do justice. So this is a satin fabric. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, and if you like more tutorials about this, please feel free to share in the comment section. Okay, so this is it, guys. It's as simple as this. To see how beautiful it is. So this is our beautiful fabric flower. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.